Trump News. Cohen delivers insider details at trial as Trump's defense attorney accuses him of revenge. Michael Cohen testified Tuesday that he turned on Donald Trump after a decade, after his family pleaded with him and the FBI raided his office, apartment, and hotel room. The convoluted breach resulted in a 2018 guilty plea to federal accusations of paying Stormy Daniels to hide her allegation of a sexual encounter with Trump and other linked offenses. Manhattan prosecutors chose Cohen as the primary witness in their case against Trump over that same payment, which they believe was an illegal attempt to influence the 2016 presidential election, due to his insider knowledge of dubious deals. To retain the loyalty and do what he requested, I disregarded my moral compass, and I and my family paid the price, Cohen stated Tuesday. But defense counsel tried to paint Cohen as vengeful toward his former employer, confronting him on the witness stand with his obscene social media about Trump and wanting to tie him. The most shocking event came Tuesday outside the courtroom when House Speaker Mike Johnson joined Trump, who used his bully pulpit to rally his political party against the law by calling the trial illegitimate. A gag order in the case banned Trump from speaking after an appeals court ruling Tuesday. He and other GOP politicians are acting as surrogates. I do have a lot of surrogates, and they're speaking very beautifully, Trump told the court as the group watched. They come from all around Washington. These reputable people think this is the biggest fraud ever. Cohen described purposely mislabeled checks, fake receipts, and blind loyalty that put Trump at the center of the plan as prosecutors presented their case. For a man known for his braggadocio as Trump's problem zapper, the evidence was dry, but it supported the prosecution's claim that the case is about Trump's attempt to illegally hide up his payments. Cohen has detailed how the former president was involved in all elements of the hush money conspiracy, and prosecutors feel his testimony is crucial. The witness's disbarment, prison sentence, and plea of guilty to lying about a Moscow real estate deal on Trump's behalf might backfire, especially when Trump's attorneys cross-examine him, instead of inquiring about the trial's claims. Blanche questioned Cohen's honesty and motivation for helping prosecutors imprison Trump on Tuesday. Blanche suspected Cohen was using his insider knowledge to get a shorter jail sentence and court supervision for his crimes and a new career making millions attacking Trump despite prosecutors' rapid-fire denials. Cohen and Trump listened to a podcast clip on headphones at the defense table. Blanche asked Cohen about an October 2020 episode in which he suggested Trump required shackles and that people will not be content until this man is sitting inside a cell. "I wouldn't put it past me," Cohen said. "Are you driven by fame?" Blanche asks. "No sir, I don't think that's fair to say," Cohen answered. "Many things motivate me." Cohen will be the prosecution's last witness. Trump's defense will begin after Cohen, but it's unclear if his lawyers will call witnesses or if he will testify. Trump and others in his orbit were reeling when an Access Hollywood tape leaked a few weeks before the 2016 election in which he boasted about grabbing women by the genitals without their consent. Testimony suggests the recording accelerated Daniels' payments. Cohen said Trump was unaware of behind-the-scenes efforts to suppress campaign-harming stories. After paying Daniels $130,000 to keep her silent about a sexual encounter, Trump pledged to reimburse him. Hoffinger methodically and clinically guided Cohen through the reimbursement process, and jurors followed. The prosecution claimed it was a long-term fraud to hide the fund's genuine purpose.